Uh, Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel, and today we'll learn about PPT PowerPoint presentation, and under that we'll see design menu. Already in previous video we already seen home page menu and insert menu. So let's today we'll see design menu. Design menu for making design of papers. You can make the design of slides. So you can see here when you click the design here, you can see many kinds of already pre-designed templates and designs will be there. So if you want to be make which kind of design you want, you can make. See, already have taken plain white background. If you want to change that one, you can see. Suppose I want to change this theme. So when I click here, automatically this change will be changed here. So like this you can be change this one. So whichever kind of theme you want to be set, you can be set in the PowerPoint presentation. So whichever looks to good for making attraction and good, so you can use for the PowerPoint presentation. For theme you can use, you can say design or theme, both you can say here. So depend upon your project you can be keep adjustment. First one, you can see many kinds of themes are there, and second is variant. In which theme you selected, under that only somewhat kind of variant will be there. See, suppose I have selected this one, so under same you can see here variants will be there 4 5. See, same, just it will change, the same design will be there, but only color will be changed. That is called variants. So whichever theme you selected, under many kinds of variants will be there. Suppose already is green variant is there, you want to change blue one, you can click here, or you can go for pink, you can go for green. So which kind of variant you want, you can take. So whenever you selected the theme, see, suppose I have selected a blue theme, so related this variant will be there. So you can be select here, you can be take again blue or red. So which kind of variant you want, you can take under the same theme. So this is a making for design for very attractive. You can be change any kind of any one theme, you can be change, or you can be keep as a plain. So first you have make plain one, then you can be keep the theme. So if here variant also many will be there, and theme also many will be there. See, if already themes are available, this is okay, means okay. Or if you want any kind of other themes you want, you can take here. See, browse for themes, when you click you can be browse themes. So if you are saved in your documentation or drive, so just you can be open. See, I'm opening desktop, I have some themes are there. If it's there, I'll check. Otherwise you can be keep any image, you can be keep. If in all files you can take, and suppose I'm keeping this, so it's not taking, but it should be online theme should be there. Okay, it's not supporting. So you can be take any kind of themes, otherwise you can be use as usual save current themes. You can keep the current theme, you can use. Okay, again variant will come here. When you taken, suppose I have taken this one, in under this variant, so colors will be there. See, already these are setting group colors will be there. Here you can see here green, black and white. So you don't like, then you can be change the color group pattern, you can change. Okay, when you change the color group pattern, on the base of sequence it will be there. So you can see here blue warm, blue, blue green. Okay, these are the mixed colors. You can see when I'm changing all, this background color is changing. You can see here now yellow, its combination is different. Yellow orange, this combination different. Orange, this is different. See, red orange. So when you want to be change the color combination also, you can be change in that variant. So already somewhat will be default variant will be there, so colors will be set one will be there. So if you want to be change, you can change the colors. And next comes here font. Again font variant also will be there. See, when I go here variant, I will go for font styles. You can see here how you are changing the fonts, you can be change here normally. So just you put select here, you can go for font here, which kind of font you want, you can be set here, or you can be set directly there, or you can be go home and you can set the font. Both side you can set. So this is only design purpose they kept here. So you can use the design one, and you can go for background style also. See, so I want to be keep this is background of which color you want. So here one thing is very important. Here you can see here both side background is coming. So if you want only one color background you want to change, select I will select this one. I want to keep this is only for the background style of different kinds of. You can use only one and you can keep the background. So when you select the theme, both color will be take, but in background you can be change the single also you can be do it format background. And when you click forward background, so related this it will be slide will be there. So it related slides all points will be explained you that one will show you background style. So this is only for the background. If already theme is available, apart from this theme you want to keep special you can be keep your background style. And next comes here slide size. There are two special slides style given. One is the standard, that is 4 by 3 or 4:3 you can say. One is the widescreen 16:3. So widescreen is best for making a video or project, but it will be exactly adjust with the screen. So if you want to apart from that you can, if you want to you can be change. See, custom slide size is there already default size will be there. See, you can say here this is settings regarding the slides. You can take portrait or you can take landscape. So portrait means you can say vertical, and landscape means horizontal. So when you select here you can select the size of paper, okay, or you can click widescreen, on screen show, okay, on screen shot size, or if you want to size paper wise also you can be keep. Normally it's better when you're doing the presentation, better to you take 16:9. It's look very good and it will be good. See, the same ratio given in the inch also. Width is 10 inch and height is 5.6. Okay, you can see this is normal which we selected. Number of slides. So like if you want to related orientation or settings related to the paper, you can be use the slide design you can be use. Okay, this is one of only theme, variant and slide given. And you can say again same background color. See again if you want to change the background color of this slide, just you go background color. Okay, you can see here when you select the background color, so particular options will be available. You can say here solid color. Okay, you can take here gradient fill. Okay, when you click it change you can see here. And you can see here is a one important thing is that when you select their background about theme or variants, what happened, all slides is selecting. Suppose here if I select, I will close here. So this one I will select this theme. So when I select this theme, both will connect, same theme will become same background. So when you click format background, there what happened, you particular slide also can change. See here, this is the white, this is the blue. So hit the possible in the format. So here also combination will be there, depend upon the colors. First you can say here solid. Solid means normally whichever you selected, it will be there. The gradient style. So somewhat gradient style will be there. If you want somewhat settings here, you can put the gradients here. Okay, which kind of you want, radical. Okay, these are the styles. Okay, you can. So these are the styles will be present gradients, how much you want, which color you want. Okay, that you can be take. So when you select one particular, it will be come the related designs will be there. That is gradient style. And one more come here, picture or texture fill. You can see here you can keep a picture or texture also you can be use here. Okay, if you want see, you can see here texture, you can use this kind of texture you want, you can use. Or if you want to take a design of that picture, online picture or in your PC picture, you can be take here. From file I am selecting picture, background is I want this fish, so I can be inside here. So when I collect here it is coming background. So if you want to be keep particular, you can be keep in the picture. And pattern fill, if you want to pattern size, you can take here, many kinds of patterns are available. So whichever kind of design you want to make a background, that one you can select here pattern. Or if you want to hide the background, so you can be hide the background also. So when I see I'm taking here, so I want to make hide of this background, so I can hide here, you can see only plain coming. So like this you can put the settings regarding the format background. So this is only for design format, is making normal design of the background page, or you can say image page, you can be change. So when it's very importantly theme is, it will be when once you select, it will be affect to the all slides. So when you select the format background, it will be affect only one. See, you can see here we have two slides, one slide, two slide, but here only I have selected format background and have done some customization here only. So that way only second slide has been selected for the multiple colors and whatever I have done changes. So when you click here first slide, it is normally plain because I use here format background. Instead of format background, if I use here theme, once I select the theme, it will be affect to the both. So you can see first and second. So which kind of theme I have selected, it will be affect to the both. So if you want to be use theme for all same, you can use a theme, or if you want to be set particular one, you have to go for format background. So you learn, you can make very attractive and perfectly slide design form using that design format. Thank you. If you like video, please comment and share and subscribe our channel.